Yazi bafethu uNaledi umncane ngeminyaka but ngezenzo omdala. Omunye umuntu angathi hayi kanjani nazi le ngane lena ngibona ivideo yayo iposta kokwayo. The way kukuhle ngakhona, the way renovate ngakhona kokwabo, the way enze ngakhona kwaba kuhle. You understand indawo akhwele kuyo wakhumbula ekhaya kuyo yonke into ayenza what doesn't before. Ndigcoka before ndiyaziwa before kwenzakala whatever. Let me start with home. Ikhaya lami libukeke ibe indawo enhle. Nami ngithi mangifika ekhaya ngikwazi ukuzizwa ukuthi ngisekhaya. You understand? Ngani make post ekhaya lakhe lihle ngendlela eyisimanga guys and iyabonisa lonto leyo ukuthi ngempela guys uNaledi mncane but ngokomqondo omdala because ukwazi ukucabanga ikhaya lakhe kuyo yonke into ayenza kuyo yonke imali akayenzayo. You understand? Zangagijimela uthenga imoto, zangagijimela uthenga umzejuzi, zangagijimela nje zonke into lezo most people abafika apha eGoli bafike bagijimise zona. But instead yena wacabanga ikhaya lakhe wathi no yazi ndishiye ikhaya lami lingekho lihle yithi ngilenze libe ngalendlela mina engifuna ngalo ikhaya lami libe ngakhona. And then truly speaking ikhaya lakhe lihle manje. Yabona manje angaqala azithengele ezinye izinto or enze whatever afuna ukuyenza ngempilo yakhe or ngemali yakhe but lo ngekhaya li-right lilihle. Uyayibona into le noma manje angathenga imoto uyayazi uma ngifika ekhaya kuhle, noma manje angathengela wakho umuzi la eGoli uyayazi ukuthi nginekhaya. Uyayibona into le even nabo kokwabo balela abantu abadala because abantu abaningi besiyazi umuntu ushonile but umuntu oshonile uyaphila ngalo, uyakwazi ubuya ngapha and uyakwazi ukubusisa, uyakwazi ukuqalekisa. Most of people they don't know that. They think maybe umuntu makeshonile lakhulele ndiqhatshela ama-rest in peace. There's no rest in peace. Umuntu ngalo uyakwazi uvasha ngapha ezweni lenyama. Uyayibona into leyo noma makhe la ekhona manje uproud ngoNaledi. You understand? Because make ebuya ngapha uyabona ukuthi umsamo umile ekhaya, umzi ukhona muhle. Uyayibona into leyo bayakwazi ukumbusisa even more. You understand? Which shows guys ukuthi sometimes ingane ezincane ziyakwazi ukwenza better than abantu abadala. Hayi kabi ungaba mdala ukuthi le ayikho. You understand? I truly love into engiyibonile kunadaphiwe bafethu engathi nabanye bangafunda even abantu abadala. Bakhona abadala abasuka emakhaya baza la eGoli benza imali but namhlanje babhizi la eGoli badliwa zintombi. Abanye badliwa amadoda. You understand? Ayikho into abayenzayo for amakhaya wabo. You understand? Omenza goduka mayesegoduka akasanalo ukuthi because iGoli imshayile. You understand? So sometimes guys it's good to learn to those who are making good things even if abancane kwiminyaka but fundani kubo guys because it's out ngancane bafethu.